Man down, man down. I drifted. Man down.
He was massive. We weren't as fit as we thought we were. Like, I think it was 6 of us dragging him through the marsh, and man, that was a whole nother process. He was heavy. 4 feet felt like a mile through all that brush.
All right, let's do another through.
It was incredible. This whole hunt was just amazing. I don't use those 2 words very often.
And 1, 2, 3.
Eating it, I know where it came from. It's healthy. My family can enjoy it, so that's pretty cool.
Man, that was a lot.
My name is Noah Rodino. I coach CrossFit at Max 3.
All right, once you guys finish that warm-up, go ahead and load up your weights, and then we'll get started.
So grateful.
I make meal plans for the members that are wanting to, change their lifestyle around what they look at as dieting, but I coach lifestyle changes.
You don't remember when Charlie was like, let's do something?
Yeah. I have not hunted. Matt approached me at the gym. He's a member at the gym, and he's like, yeah, I'd give it a shot.
Some of y'all want to come out there early. We'll show you how to set up the blinds. My name is Matt Hughes. I'm with Texas Parks and Wildlife Foundation, and Texas Parks and Wildlife Foundation raises private funds to help support Texas Parks and Wildlife Department. The stewards of the wild get people involved in the outdoors and conservation. 21 to 45-year-olds, people who have lost the opportunity to get outside. Something we wanted to explore more recently is the idea of mentored hunting, to learn about conservation and wildlife management through conservation.
She's right behind that bigger tree.
And the nutritional component of hunting. And all those things put together, but first-time hunters don't really have that opportunity.
Hey, I'm Noah.
Caitlin.
Caitlin, nice to meet you.
Good to meet you.
Justin.
Caitlin.
We're out here at Powderhorn Ranch bringing 7 hunters who have never hunted out here to be part of that experience.
Welcome to Powderhorn, everybody. I'm Matt Hughes. You guys all pretty much well know me, Max 3 and mentors, so I'm glad you guys are all out here.
To learn about conservation and wildlife management through conservation and the nutritional component of hunting. They get to see those animals eating the grass, right? They get to see what those animals eat, and they get to learn that this is all part of a bigger picture. So it's a really rewarding system.
My name is Justin Gardner. I work at a chiropractic clinic. I have a background in exercise science and really holistic health in general.
A 270 Browning. My dad gave this to me for my 18th birthday.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
One of the things that's really exciting for me when Matt told me about being a mentor for Noah was the fact that he's interested in the nutritional part of hunting.
Nice.
So today we're doing range time. Yeah, we've never hunted, any of us. It's all new.
Feel good?
Yeah.
For me, what's exciting is to share some of the knowledge that I've picked up, and having wild food being a part of something that he enjoys with his friends and with his family around the dinner table.
The idea is that all of our meals are wild game.
The burger's right here. You're clearly looking at your shot. You're made sure there's nothing behind you that can be risky.
We went through with our mentors as well as our mentees, what we expect from a safety perspective. Hunting safety, gun safety, what kind of shot placement they should be doing, what they should be looking for in their animals. We want to make sure that everyone's safe and following the rules.
That's just basically like if you go out stalking, like don't shoot in that direction. Right? So
So leading into the hunt,
That's awesome.
you could feel the kind of tension with a new hunter, with Noah. He was
The nerves are starting to build up.
That's a good shooter, boy.
We saw a beautiful sandbar bull. There was really no way for us to get a shot at him. We decided that we were going to put a stalk on him.
We walked out to get a better shot at him, and that's when excitement set in.
Take your time. Wait until you're comfortable.
This is a good shooter because like he's a big animal.
Walking up on it, I really got to see how big it was, and he was massive.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
It took 6 guys to pull that sandbar to a place to where we could load him in the truck. The work started there, and then it continued on as we broke the animal down.
So the whole thing is that we're gonna open this up.
Tearing him down, and geez, that was harder than the whole thing. Like from the hunt itself, that was a lot of work. I had no idea.
Being able to take that animal from the field down to usable parts and then to be able to cook that animal, I think that's really important when it comes to introducing people to hunting.
They look amazing.
We cooked them and cut them up together and took the first bites.
There we go. Let's do it.
For this piece right here.
That was a special moment for me.
I ate the first piece, and it was like everything, the whole day just flashed as soon as I was, taking that first bite.
What do you think?
Awesome.
You like it?
God. So good.
This is your guy.
What Stewards of the Wild and everybody here has taught me, I have a whole new respect for the entire process and the conservation aspect of it. It was just amazing, a great experience.
Support for Stewards of the Wild comes from the Texas Wildlife Association and the Caesar Kleberg Wildlife Research Institute.